Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to show you one funny project that I recently did. So I can see the craze among the employees of different companies to work late, but I'm not a big fan of that. I mostly worked in the working hour to get the work done. But for experimental purpose, I thought to mimic late working hours, or there can be other reasons. For example, suppose you want to learn some new technologies, learn new tools, and sometimes in office laptop, those things are not, you cannot access those things, maybe some websites or some, you can't install some tools on the office laptop. And in work from home situation, there is this trend to track your team's availability, or how quickly you respond to the messages that determines how much you're working, which is not very good sign to me. So I thought, when I am away from my office laptop doing something on my personal laptop, how to attend those events immediately. So I wrote on application. What it does, it basically monitors a portion of the screen that is given by you, and if there is any sort of activity on that portion, for example, some Teams message pop up, some Outlook pop up, or Outlook meeting notification, it immediately sends one push notification to your mobile application, in my case, my Android application, and a screenshot of that particular object on the screen. So, so that you can basically understand what is happening, and you can attend the event. So now I am going to demonstrate this activity. So here you can see I want to monitor this particular portion. Basically, you can monitor whatever portion you want, but for this example, I want to monitor this portion, and I want to do some activity. For example, dragging this thing on this, so that there is some activity here, and I'll be sent screenshot of this particular object on my mobile phone. So let's start that. Let me run the application. So it is asking me for the top left corner. So it is basically taking a bounding box. So I need to give the top left, that is this, and the bottom right, so that it can monitor this particular area. So for me, let's see, it is this, and mm, I think this one is fine. Yeah. Now it is asking me for the bottom right. For bottom right, let me take this much. Don't go below this taskbar, because there is this time date thing, and the time changes every minute, right? So if you give the taskbar also, then it will false detect and send you false notification. Now it is asking me where to click. So to make your computer not sleep, it clicks on the screen, this area, I mean, whatever location you will give at a certain interval, so that you will be always green on your Microsoft Teams, and everybody will think that you are online. So let me give any location. Yeah. Now it is saying it has started monitoring the screen. Now, since it does not capture the cursor, so cursor position does not make any difference. Now, since there is no activity, nothing is happening here. Now, see carefully, if I move this thing here. Now, you can see immediately. Your boss is attempting to reach you on your cellular device. attempting to reach you on your cellular device. Let me stop it. So you can see as I moved it, immediately I saw this activity, and immediately I am sent one push notification to my mobile, and if I click it, I'll be redirected to my application that I created, and I'll be sent one screenshot of that particular object. So one thing I want to mention, this is for experimental purpose. I don't have any sort of intention to like mock do mockery of those people who are working hard. This is just for fun. Take it lightly, and it is needless to say that I don't intend to use it in my office place. But it works upon like Firebase services, Firestore, and Firebase Cloud Messaging. So I thought, let me give it a try because I need to write the servers, like create the APIs, and integrate those Firebase services. So it's a learning for me also. So that's why I did it. I think you liked it, and yeah, thank you so much.